Hi, welcome back to the Autobrite Direct channel. With me today I've got two vehicles. Both of these vehicles are with us for our single stage paintwork correction package. We've got the Focus RS on my left. This one is in for single stage correction, including our 3-year LITE ceramic coating. Then we've got the Porsche Taycan Turbo behind us. That's in for single stage correction and our Pro 5-year ceramic coating. So stick with us and let's go on a journey and see how the vehicles turn out. So both cars are in the bay. They've had a thorough wash and decontamination. That's chemical decontamination, physical decontamination using the clay bar as well. So let's get the team on them and get the machining started. Okay guys, so the machine polishing is now complete. The RS, so the Focus, was a little bit more difficult than the Porsche. Now that's mainly down to the fact that it's a white vehicle. So white vehicles, what you tend to find is as you're polishing, you're removing the swirl marks, and then that reveals deeper defects beneath. It's only a single stage, so we weren't going for a full correction on this. So we achieved around about a 70% correction, which for single stage is ideally where we want to be. Now it's time to ceramic coat them. So we've got our 3-year light coating going on the RS, and then we've got our 5-year pro ceramic coating going on the Taycan Turbo. So let's head into the ceramic bay and let's crack on. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Both vehicles are now complete. It's been a pretty long and pretty busy week here at Autobrite. We've got the fantastic sharp looking white Focus RS. That's had our 3-year light ceramic coating. And then we've got the lovely Porsche Taycan Turbo. That's had our 5-year pro coating. Both vehicles look fantastic. If you've liked this video, please follow us on our YouTube channel and click the subscribe icon to get notified when we post the next new video, and we'll see you again soon.